Hello and welcome to another Gate.io experience. This is JD, and today we'll cover some important Bitcoin halving events. Bitcoin halvings are a fascinating phenomenon that occurs on the Bitcoin network every 4 years and can have a big impact on Bitcoin's price and miners' rewards. Halving is the event when the number of new Bitcoin created with each block is cut in half. Effectively, miners receive 50% fewer Bitcoins for verifying transactions. Halving is essential. It was designed by its creator Satoshi Nakamoto to limit the number of Bitcoins created. This ensures that the digital currency remains scarce, which helps keep the value of existing coins and gives the cryptocurrency a sound economic foundation. The first Bitcoin halving took place on 28th of November 2012, when the price rose to $12.35 compared to the $2 average the year prior to the halving. Needless to say, Bitcoin never went back to $1 ever again. Moving on, I am sure you will agree that the Bitcoin halving event is typically a positive market event, as the reduced supply can create an increase in the demand for Bitcoin, boosting its price. This can be great news for miners who will still be receiving a smaller reward, but can potentially make a higher overall profit as a result of increased coin value. As seen on screen, at the start of July 2016, the price per one Bitcoin was more or less $673, a little lower from its previous peak of over $750 from June 2016. Bitcoin thereafter bounced to $600 and back up to around $700. Needless to say, Bitcoin never went back to its previous halving price of $12. Overall, Bitcoin halvings are an important part of Bitcoin's code and can have a big impact on the price of the coin and the rewards given to miners. Understanding halvings and how they affect the market can be a great way to stay informed about the cryptocurrency and make better informed decisions about investing. Another halving occurred on May 11th of 2022, when Bitcoin was actually down from its all-time high and was trading at around $31,830. Needless to say, Bitcoin did not fall back to $1 ever again. If you want to know more about halvings in order to improve your knowledge, just click the link in the bio. Did you know? In 2020, BTC was branded as digital gold. In 2021, under the inspiring BTC Fiat experiment in El Salvador, combined with the Lightning Network and the most ambitious Taproot upgrade, the payment attributes of BTC, global currency, also ushered in a huge wave. In 2022, the major crashes will boost the market clearing and deleverage, and more regulatory intervention support will enable the industry to develop more healthily and orderly. With the surge of various financial derivative scenarios, BTC expansion in all dimensions will usher in new variables in the future. So, are you looking forward to the 2024 Bitcoin price around the next halving? Let us know in the comments what you think the price will be. As you can see, while the rewards are becoming smaller and smaller, the buying frenzy could become bigger and bigger to the level of scarcity. Some investors make profits around the Bitcoin halving events by trying to speculate how high will the price go after the halving. All 21 million Bitcoins will eventually all be mined by 2140, the latest, but due to the halving reward decreasing, it is estimated that over 98% of the whole supply will be mined entirely by 2030. Please note that this video is not investment advice, and the information provided here is purely informational.